What's going on, YouTube? Welcome back to another video, y'all. How y'all doing today, man? Hopefully y'all doing good. As you guys can tell, it's a little windy, a little cold outside, you know what I'm saying? It's been raining a lot, but it's been like about 3 weeks since I uploaded anything in general on YouTube, you feel me? I went on vacation and then I came back and I had to take care of some personal matters and stuff like that. But it's all good though. Like I said, I'm not gonna let it stop me from dropping video for you guys, dropping content from you guys, you feel me? But yeah, on today's video, as you guys can tell by the title, that's right, we're going E-fans on the Cholita. I just got done cleaning off the radiator because I went with a used radiator this time. So on today's video, we're going E-fans. We most likely won't get a tune today because I haven't even told my tuner. He knows I'm gonna go E-fans, but he didn't know I was gonna be ready today. So today we're gonna be installing the radiator. We're gonna be flushing the whole cooling system, putting fresh water and additives under. Most likely I'm gonna go with water again. And then after that, we're gonna install the fans, wire them, and pin them to the PCM. I'm gonna show you guys how to pin them to the PCM just like I did with the flex fuel sensor. I'm gonna show you guys the E-fans, so you guys could do it yourselves too. You feel me? And you don't have to pay somebody. And you guys could just wire the E-fans and just get a tune, and that's all you'll need, separate from you doing everything. It's just a tune. Hopefully in the next video you guys will be able to see it get a tune and gain some ponies in this thing, because it's gonna gain some power for sure. You know, that clutch fan it's heavy, it adds a lot of weight to the motor. It's gonna be better overall for the truck. E-fans make a difference, trust me. I know because I got the E-fans on the step side, and they made a difference in the step side. I remember actually when I put the E-fans on the step side, I went out and go drifting because I knew it had more power now and I could do it, and that's exactly what I did. I got the E-fans and I went out and drifted a little like S-turn. Now it's time for the Cholita. So now Cholita's gonna get the E-fan, so I'm gonna get a cold start for you guys. I'm gonna flip it around. I'm gonna bring it up this way so I could flush out the heater core, flush out the whole cooling system, and then we're gonna install the radiator in. Probably make a parcel run and get some water wetter. I'm gonna show you guys how to install E-fans and how I wire them and do everything yourselves. You feel me? I'm putting y'all in game. All you gotta do is just hit that subscribe button. You feel me? Click that bell notification so you get reminded every time I upload, and I'll be putting y'all on free game with a lot of stuff. We try to put y'all on how to work on your trucks and how to do everything yourself, so you don't have to pay that much or spend that much money on paying someone to do it where you could do it yourself. But yeah, let's get it going though. Let's get a cold start. Cold start. Fans right there, got the radiator right there. I just got done pressure washing it, cleaning out as best as I could. Like I said, I did go with a used one this time. As long as it works and it don't leak, I ain't tripping. Shout out to Pandita for the fans, and then shout out Alex for Bulls for the radiator. Shout out y'all for the parts. Appreciate y'all for real. Y'all need parts. You in Sacramento, you need some parts, you need some fans. Hit up Pandita for the fans, and hit up Alex Bulls with radiator. Sometimes he has the fans too, so you know what I mean. These guys always got parts, so shout out to them for that. But yeah, man, Cholita finna get some power, boys. Gonna gain some ponies today, boy. Maybe not today, but you're gonna gain some ponies. All right, y'all, so there it is. We got it up front now, facing forward. So we're gonna start off with the removing the drain plug on the radiator, which is on this side, all the way at the bottom, right there. That's the drain plug. Just turn it, and it'll allow all the cooling to come out of there. It won't be all of the cooling, but it will be most of the cooling coming out of there. You see it, buddy? Yeah. And then after removing that, I'm gonna start removing the hoses, start removing the fan shroud, take the radiator out and all that good stuff, and then I'm gonna flush the heater from this side. Hopefully I could do it. Yeah, this line has a clamp on it, so I could flush it and go from there. All right, so there we are. Got a little bucket under there. As you guys can tell, I already got it loose. Keep twisting, and you guys can tell water's coming out already. All right, y'all, so got the shroud out, so all you gotta do is take off these little tabs right there. You should have 4 of them. 1, 2, 3, 4. So yeah, just pop those out. You take your fan shroud out. I did have to move the intake out of the way, and obviously the hose. But yeah, I'm just about to take this one out, the bottom part, and then the radiator comes out, boys. That's how easy it is to change these radiators on these trucks. Obviously I gotta take off the hoses still, but yeah, that's pretty easy. And just like that, we got the radiator out. Look at that thing, bro. That thing was crusty and old. Look at that. Sheesh. So that's the old thing.
That's the older.
And then we're gonna get the new things, put it right next to it so you guys can see. So check it out, y'all. That's the E-fans radiator compared to the regular stock fan clutch one. As you guys can tell, it's obviously longer because the E-fans go in the middle of this. The E-fans are pretty much the size of that, the old one. So yeah, it's the new one right here. Not the new one, but obviously the new used one. It's gonna go in there. It looks a lot better than that one though. Sheesh. A little bit thicker too. You guys could tell. Holds more water, obviously. And the new radiator is in, boys. All the lights are back in. That one, this one, the top one, that one right there. There it is. So your new radiator, the old one, would go in here, and then right here is where the fan shroud would bolt onto. But now your new radiator bolts onto here, and your E-fans bolt onto here. Let's grab this water wetter. See if they got it. Well, they might not have it today. Damn, they don't got it. They only got this one. But it looks like they don't got no. Oh, they do got one water left. There's one left, boy. Look, it was hiding. Someone was hiding it. Yes, sir, it is me. We're on water wetter on the Cholita this time. That's what I'm running on the step side right now. I'm gonna run this one again. I liked it. All right, y'all. So at this point, I'm just gonna fill it up with water. On the next video, I'm probably gonna change out that reservoir tank because that is ugly. Look at that thing, bro. That thing is yellower than my teeth. But yeah, I'm gonna change that in the next video. Probably do a thermostat on it as well in the next video. You know what I'm saying? Do some maintenance on there, maintenance, whatever. But for now, I'm just gonna fill it up with water, and then that water wetter, we're gonna run it until the thermostat opens up. Once the thermostat opens up, then you know it's good to go at that point. I just gotta top it off again. Once the thermostat opens up, I just gotta top it off to make sure the cooling is good, and we'll go from there. All right, so I'm about to start it up. Let all the water flow through the radiator and the engine and all that good stuff. So let's fire her up. All right, so I got the heater booming. You guys could tell. It's pretty warm, I ain't gonna lie. It's hot already, so I don't know. I think it might have, the thermostat might have opened up already. But I'm on my way to go put some E, because you guys can tell I'm low, boy. And you don't want to go under a quarter when you're on E. Trust me, you don't. I've been stranded before. But yeah, it feels pretty hot already. So I think the thermostat already opened up. So yeah, we're gonna see. We're gonna see, boys. Now hopefully we can get tuned this week ASAP. Hopefully. So I'm ready to feel the power, the power gain on the Cholita. You feel me, on the OG. Those who don't know, this is my OG Cholita. This is a truck that I've had for years. My first truck. The step side is that's a 5-speed thing. You feel me? That's the side thing. That one right there is a drift truck. This right here is my show truck. I know it don't look like a show truck or anywhere close to a show truck, but it's you know, you gotta trust the process. Slowly but surely it'll become my show truck. But we're on the way to go pump some E. Ooh wee! Look at that TRX. Why? That's that supercharged thing. Why? Look at that. Sheesh. It's clean. You clean with it. Pumping that E, boy. You see it? 294. You know what I'm saying? Oh yeah. I can't wait to feel this thing with the E-fans, boys. This thing gonna feel good with the E-fans. It's gonna gain some power for sure, bro. I can't wait to feel it. It's gonna feel ballsy. Sheesh. Woo! That shit broke traction, boy. Like at 50 miles per hour. Goddamn. That's why y'all gotta be smooth in the rain, boy. If you don't know how to drive, don't drive that hard in the rain, because y'all gonna end up in the motherfucking car. All right, y'all. So I'm back home now. Cooling levels where it's supposed to be. Hasn't gone any lower. No leaks, nothing. So we're about to slap in those fans and pin it to the PCM. So here are the fans right there, electric fans. Here's the harness I'm going with. So on the On the step side, I actually went with a harness from Michigan Motorsports. It's the Nelson Performance harness, but I found a cheaper one. That one was $150. This one right here was $40 from 269 Motorsports. And it's honestly not that much different from the other one. The other one just has a couple other different things. So, there's a harness. Came with some, you know, promotion. Thank you, a 10% off. Nice. Off apparel. A little sticker. We definitely gonna slap that on. You know, I like stickers. And it even comes with a goddamn installation guide, bruh. Tells you everything you gotta do. Disconnect battery cable, PCM, what pin, everything. Blue connector, pin 42 white wire, green red connector, pin 33 green wire. So it literally tells you everything that you have to do to install this harness. It's all right here. Obviously these go to the fans. This is gonna go to obviously power, and then here you got ground, and then you got your 2 pins to activate the harness. So that's what we're going to install right now. I'm going to show you guys. So most of the time, you know, you pay your tuner or you pay whoever's installing your fans to do this. And like I said, this video, I'm going to show you guys how to do it at home. So you guys could do your E-fans at home. Just like I did with the flex fuel sensor and the step side. I showed you guys how to do it at home. Now you guys could do the flex fuel sensor at home. Well, now you guys will be able to do the E-fan harness install at home. And the only thing you'll need is for your tuner, whoever's tuning your truck, to come by and activate them, and then tune it for the power gain, because it's going to gain some ponies. It's going to gain some power, trust me. Trust me. You can tell it's sprinkling right now, but I'm still going to do it. You know what I mean? Like I said, I ain't going to let it stop me. I got to drop videos for y'all. It's been 3 weeks already. I know I'm lagging on it, but I got a video. You know, obviously we got the fans coming for this one. We got the tuning video coming for this one. I got a little something coming for the Tahoe. Ain't nothing crazy, nothing major, but it's going to make a difference for it, you know. So we got some coming for the Tahoe, so stay tuned, because I think it's going to get retuned again as well. So let's go ahead and get this E-fan install going. My bad, y'all. I'll be moving fast. But anyways, I showed you guys how to take the PCM cover off. There's a tab that goes in here and on the other side, which is that one and that one. You just got to pull it up and out. Once you do that, pull this clip up, pull your PCM out as you're pulling this one up as well, and then your PCM will be free. So now you want to take this off. This is what we're gonna be decided. We're gonna be going on both sides actually, but I'll get that later. But we do gotta go on this side. I mean, on the paper it said pin 42, which is gonna be that one right there. You guys see it? Put you guys on game. Pin 42, that one right there, boys. You guys can tell there's nothing inside of it. It's empty. So there we are. 7mm bolt. Take it off. It'd honestly be a really good idea to take this hose off, just because it's literally right in the way. But since I already removed all the coolant, I don't feel like doing all that. Anyways, 7mm bolt. Gotta take this blue clip off in order for the pin to go through. So let's go ahead and pop this cover off real quick. You just gotta pinch it on the, not pinch it, but stick something on the inside right there to take it off. All right, so there it is. Pin 42 right there, the white one. It's all the way in. It's that one right there. Put it back on. So now I gotta move on to this side and install the green wire. So remember guys, white wire goes onto pin 42, and then the green wire goes on to pin 33 on this side. All right, so I'm on the second one. When it says right here, what does it say? Green red connector. What that means is these. If it's either going to be green or red. The other one that I just took off was blue, as you guys can see, but this one is red. So you want to choose pin 33, which I already located. Is right there. It's that green wire. It does also say on here, on some PCMs there may be already a wire in pin 33. If there is, remove this wire from the connector. It will not be used, and insert the green wire. So I'm hoping that is true, because I mean, I don't know. So there it is. I got it in there. The new pin right there. It's in. Here's the one that came out of there. So to take it out, just in case if you guys do end up doing it, so you're gonna want to use like a pick like this, and what you're gonna want to do is you're gonna lift up all the way from the back. You're gonna lift up and then push this pin in, obviously with 2 hands. But yeah, that's how I got it out. I don't know what to do. I don't know if I should just leave it there. I think I'm just gonna wrap it with electrical tape for now and see what my tuner says, and then go from there. But yeah, I got it in there. So now I'm just gonna put everything back together. I'm gonna start putting the grounds, the powers, find a place to bolt these in, and it should be all done. So I got the PCM back on there. Connectors are tight. This is on there and this is on there, so PCM's not moving nowhere now. So you can put your cover now if you want to, but I'm about to just actually, yeah, about to put the cover on because I need to put these relays on the cover, and then from there we just power and ground. It's super easy. Jeez. All right, y'all, so it's pretty much all done. So this is where I put one of my grounds. Ground goes here. I got the power going directly into this right here. Let's see if I can show you guys. So there it is. That wire is from the fans. I got it on there from the positive. Power, obviously. And then it does come with 2 grounds. So one ground I grounded here. The second ground I actually grounded to the frame, which is this cable right here. You guys can't see it, but I grounded it to the frame. I just put a self-tapper bolt, and that's it. And that's pretty much it, y'all. And I put a screw here so it holds onto the all the relays onto the PCM cover. And this is obviously the fan clutch obviously has to come off, but I'm just gonna leave it on now until my boy hits me up for a tune. But I pretty much just put it all how it's actually gonna be once the tune is in and the fan clutch is off. So that's pretty much how it's gonna be routed. Not bad, right? So yeah, that's pretty much it. That's all you got to do to install the fans on your MBS. If you don't have E-fans and you want to go E-fans, I'm pretty much giving you the game on how to do it. You know where you got to pin it to, how to pin it, how to do everything. I'm pretty much showing you guys how to do it. So hopefully you guys will be able to do it soon here, and hopefully you guys can start doing E-fans on your own trucks. Save yourself some money. You feel me? And also it also feels good being able to work on your own truck and having everything come out good. Especially once you go out and tune it and the fans work and it all comes out good, and all the hard work you put in is all worth it at the end, you know. So but yeah, that's pretty much it, y'all. I'm pretty much done at the moment. The fan harness is not bad. I mean, can't complain. It's a little maybe on the short side in my opinion. Maybe I could have moved this one more over here so this wasn't that like that, but it is what it is. Not too bad. I like it. So yeah, I'm just gonna take out the fans again because obviously I can't leave them in here. I probably can, but I'm not going to, just to be safe. But the E-fan install is pretty much done, boys. We just gotta wait at a tune now. Look at that. Ground, power. I'm probably gonna try to move this one more over there here so this is not as stretched because I don't like the way it looks. But besides that, it's all done, boys. It is all done. E-fan wiring, pin, everything is all completed. Yes sir. Now we just gotta wait for the tune. There she is, boys. She's on. Sounding good. You see it? You see it? But yeah, E-fan is all done. Obviously they're not inside, but I'm all done. I put some baggies with a zip tie on the harness connector so they don't get wet or damaged. But yeah, it's all done. She's all done. She's ready for more power. Yes sir. Well, that is going to be the end of this video, y'all. Thank you guys for tuning into another video. Let me know if this video helped you guys out to install your E-fans. It should help you out if you follow this video through. One important thing I do want to say is make sure you disconnect your negative battery cable before you do anything. Make sure you disconnect that because I blew a fuse on accident, but I got it good. It's good now. It's running. 06 radiator is in there as well. Obviously the bigger one that you need for E-fans. You can't go E-fans unless you put the bigger radiator. But yeah, it's pretty much all done. Just waiting for my boy Peak Torque Innovations to come through and tune it and activate the fans, and it'll be pretty much ready to go. So that is going to be for the next video though. So thank you guys for tuning into this video. If you're new to the channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, click that bell notification to give you a reminder every time I upload. Smash that like button, drop a comment, let me know what you guys thought of today's video. But yeah, that is going to be this video though. Thank you guys for tuning in, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next video.